Well, the only time it comes up is in interviews like this. You know.
But do you think that there are most people in this country don't think you're in the IRA?
Well, it's academic whether people do or don't. In terms of the issue of us being, this being an electoral impediment, I moved from West Belfast into Louth. This issue was rehearsed in West Belfast for all the time that I was an MP there and an MLA there. There were lots of other people that could have been chosen instead of me. Fine Gael and Labour and Fianna Fáil also contested those elections obliquely by coming up and supporting anti-Sinn Féin candidates. I moved to Louth. These issues for the 3 weeks of the campaign were rehearsed upside down. The people of Louth didn't know me personally. They could have chosen to vote for others.
But they knew of you.
Well, the point I'm making is they were satisfied. They were satisfied to vote for me. So is it an electoral impediment? No, not at this stage in our development.
Do you think it could become an electoral impediment to Sinn Féin?
Well, I can't see it. The IRA left the scene next year, 20 years ago. You know, I don't know what age you were there, but I presume you were in your very early teens. So, you know, it's an issue that comes up with the media. It's an issue which is clearly thrown off our political opponents. It may or may not be an issue for sections of the...
But because it's thrown up by the media and because it's thrown up by your political opponents, do you not think that hampers your development as a party?
I can only, but what you're suggesting then is that I should change my position on this question. I can only, you know, if you ask me, am I a member of the IRA? No, I'm not. Was I a member of the IRA? No, I wasn't. Now people will then make up their minds up on the validity, the truthfulness and the accuracy of that assertion.
Many people don't believe you. Many people don't
You've already
believe
made that point, Gerry.
Okay.
Right, so let me say this. I don't dissociate myself from the IRA. No, I was, for part of my life, in a part of this island which had violence just embedded in its structures in terms of discrimination and disadvantage and denial of national and civil rights. The IRA was a response to all of that. I regret the fact that there was armed campaign for the length of time that there was an armed campaign. I'm very proud of the way that Sinn Féin with others was able to bring that, not just that armed campaign to an end, but was actually able to bring about an overarching agreement, which is the most significant piece of work done since the partition of the island.